Ever wondered how top brands seem to know exactly what you want? The secret lies in social media analytics, a game changer for any marketing strategy. Social media analytics goes beyond counting likes and retweets. It dives deep into data from platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to elevate your brand. Imagine trying to converse without knowing the language. That's what marketing without social media analytics feels like. Tools like Facebook, Insights, and Twitter analytics decode your audience's preferences. By analyzing metrics like likes, shares, and click-through rates, you can fine-tune your content strategy to spark interest and drive engagement. Not all social media platforms are created equal. Analytics can pinpoint where your efforts will yield the most significant results, guiding you to focus on the right channels. Tracking metrics like brand mentions and sentiment helps you gauge content performance and make necessary adjustments, keeping you ahead of the curve. Social media analytics also identifies influencers and brand advocates. Collaborating with them can amplify your brand's reach and credibility. Setting clear goals and KPIs before launching a campaign is crucial. Tools like Google Analytics help track progress and measure impact, informing both current and future strategies. Integrate social media analytics into your overall marketing strategy. Insights can inform everything from email campaigns to product development, ensuring cohesive and effective efforts. Major brands like Nike and Airbnb have leveraged social media analytics to foster stronger brand loyalty and create resonant campaigns. Their success stories highlight the power of data-driven marketing. To get the most out of social media analytics, follow these best practices. Set clear goals. Always start with clear objectives that align with your broader marketing strategy. Use multiple tools. Don't rely on a single analytics tool. Review data regularly. Keep a close eye on your analytics to identify trends and adjust your strategy as needed. Focus on actionable metrics. Avoid getting caught up in vanity metrics like follower counts. Focus on metrics that directly impact your business goals, such as engagement rates and conversion rates. Be open to change. Use the insights you gain to continually refine your approach. What works today might not work tomorrow, so stay flexible. Not sure what content to post to your social media to help improve your analytics? Contact us today if you'd like some help.